Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat to get relationship advice. So, let's dive right into it. To begin, open up your browser and head to bing.com. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to do so. Now, enter the world of Bing Chat, your very own confident and relationship consultant. Imagine Bing Chat as that trusted friend you turn to for relationship insights. When asking for advice, approach it like a heartfelt conversation. When seeking advice, precision is key. For instance, if you are navigating challenges with a possessive partner, pose a question like, "How can I handle a possessive partner and keep a healthy relationship?" While Bing Chat's response isn't a human expert, it can offer alternative perspectives and strategies. Remember, Bing Chat's input can be a valuable addition to your decision-making process. The secret lies in carefully crafting your prompts and interpreting the responses within the context of your unique situation. Thanks for tuning in and hope this video helps you out as you navigate the realm of relationship advice using Bing Chat. And see you in the next video.